boy. Oh boy. I reckon. Ooh, watch out, Malachi. Ooh, watch out. Try not to hit you. That's not so bad.
Buddy.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh, she got up. I'm gonna get burnt. My legs, 100%. That's me. Probably. Maybe. Hello.
She used to come hang out in my office, yeah.
If you go fishing in Georgia, you meet him.
Yeah?
Real quick like.
Travis game warden.
Oh.
People like this.
He's one of those.
He's one of those guys.
No.
You gonna stand up in it?
Probably not. Not right now.
I'm digging Lacey and Bennett.
You can stand up in it.
I'm gonna have a Choco tan.
Yeah.
For that big old gut. Nothing?
Like get the takeout.
Yeah.
Get far left.
Okay.
Far left. And you got a lot of crash land in the exit.
Okay.
We'll try to get ahead of everybody that's fishing. I'm taking time out of me and we like to feel this way. It's bad.
Hopefully I won't goof. No. Yeah, I don't think I can stand up on it. I still have to bounce. Heck no. Heck no. No way. No way. I couldn't stand up on that if I wanted to. I can't do it. It's scary. I'm gonna tip over.
There's a thing right here and a knot. If you want to put your paddle, lay it right here like this.
Yeah.
And then take that string and bring it up and put it on that knot. There's a string back there.
Yeah.
On that hole. There's one on both sides.
I see him.
Like lay it right there.
I don't know.
Like this, Lacey.
Yeah.
Put it on that knot right there.
Phew, I don't know if I can do it.
To hold your paddle.
I'm scared.
Huh?
I'm scared.
To hold your paddle like that.
Yeah, I'm scared.
And then you can stand up.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't think I can do it. No way.
That way you can hold your paddle. That way you don't have to worry about your paddle. Yeah, and if you want to, take that zip tie off of there. You got something to take it off with? Maybe
No.
Travis and them got something they can take it off with. And you can hold to that strap while you're standing up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that would probably make it easier to get up.
That's what I'm saying. Take it and they probably got something they can take it off with. I guess. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about it.
Yeah, you can take and
It's scary.
worst thing so happens will fall in the water.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to do that.
And your paddle's packed, so is the GoPro waterproof?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you should be fine. Travis and them might have something to touch this with.
I don't know.
And you could use it to stand up with.
I don't know. Dang, if I unravel this.
I got it. Okay. Whoa. I got you.
I got it. I'll get it. Oh. I almost got it. Where it's, there it goes. Popped off. Yeah.
How you gonna?
Now I have to pull myself up with it when I get straight, not backwards, because I don't want to freak out.
I'll help you.
There we go. Now maybe I can stand up. Maybe, if I get brave enough. I got a feeling I'm gonna fall. You're gonna get stuck. Where are you going? Alex is gonna get stuck over a damn tree. Uh-oh. 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 Please don't get stuck. There you go. You can get in it now. You can get in it now. Woo! Up church is better. Interesting. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh God. Jesus. There you go. I'll let it get wrapped around you.
Do it, do it. I'm gonna smack you on the ass. Come on.
God. Cannonball. Cannonball.
Come on now. Yeah, that's smack.
You're too high. Hoo-ah. Oh, Jesus. Woo. It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. As I'm freaking out. God, you gotta like dip the fucking paddle so. There you go. There you go.
Oh my God, look at that.
Woo woo! Good job. Yeah, that's the hard part. Because I don't have my strap now, so now I don't know what I'm going to do.
Let go your strap.
Yeah, on accident. I was trying not to, and I did.
But it ain't fun. No, this thing's like, oh, it's wide as
It ain't too bad. It's just the paddle doesn't feel long enough.
on the keel on it. I gotta have it like that. One going up the middle instead of those two like that. Here's crazy, man.
I just gotta do it with momentum. Yep, okay. Just gotta have momentum. You just gotta go. You can't just all the gag. It's good. I wanna go on the tree.
Are you sure about that?
Look, there won't be nothing on the ground up through here. People will just reach over and
I just fell over. Yeah, I'm good. I got wrapped up. I know that. Well, I did go in, just not where I thought I was gonna go. At least I didn't lose my GoPro. At least nobody saw it. Damn, I scratched my leg out of hell. My dumb ass trying to reach for the rocks. Oh, they're throwing rocks at them. Just want a rock. A rock. Oh God. Okay. 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 Ooh. Okay. Ah! I'm trying. Woo.
Head up, head up.
Okay.
After you get past this, settle in. You got it.
Okay. Ooh, Jesus. My legs weren't there. All right. There we go. That wasn't that bad.
You got a strap in case somebody gets away.
Yeah.
Malachi's gonna try to come in back. Is
Yeah.
that what he's talking about?
He was trying to figure out what he was going to do. He's coaching himself through it, I guess.
Right there where the squat captain, that's where he flipped that last time it filled up. I think he flipped on up where Holly him was at. He was in the bushes right there. His boat was way out here. I had to jump out and get it. And
Yeah.
we went down and we got past that tree. That tree was underwater. And we
Yeah.
took forever to get back, it felt like.
Oh, yeah. He might be all right. He might be all right. He's just going to get far out there.
Pedal back. There you go. Pedal. 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 Pedal over towards us, Malachi. There you go.
There you go.
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Sling that front end around. There you go. Good job. Heck yeah. Oh, you're fine. Good job. That was really good.
Somebody want to video this shit.
Yeah, I got it.
Thing going later.
Yeah, it's going. I think my battery's almost dead though.
Dive in. I'll throw you a strap.
You didn't even have a strap.
Moving out there.
Yeah.
Ain't no way he'd be able to help two kayaks back down through there. No.
No. Here comes Alex.
I'm moving.
All right, here comes Alex.
Just got to catch him. Yeah. There's the fins underneath there still. You got room?
Where'd Travis go?
I don't know.
He's coming.
Heck yeah.
Oh my God. Make it look easy. Like,
Where'd Travis go?
He's getting in his. He wanted to go behind that.
Oh, is he going to try it?
The water stopped flowing.
Is he going up or down?
No, he's coming down through here.
Wish somebody had got his glasses.
Who? Oh, Mom.
Uh-oh.
Pedal in, pedal in, pedal in. Pedal, 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 pedal. We got you.
Woo!
We got you, we got you. Oh, you? Huh? Yeah, I was gonna bail out and make it run. Oh, no, you.
All right.
I had your lifeline ready in case we had to.
That was uneventful. Everybody did good. Everybody did good. Nobody goofed.